Hello my dear students, welcome back to our last part of lesson number 9 HCF and LCM. So in the last week we have started our problem set number 25 and in that we have solved till sum number 2 of question number 2. So today we will be continuing from question number 3. Okay, so let's read question number 3. An equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. The laddus in the first box were distributed among 20 children equally. The laddus in the second box among 24 children and those in the third box among 12 children. Not a single laddu was left over. Then, what was the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes altogether? Okay. So, in this question what they have given that the equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. Okay, so the laddus from the first box were distributed among 20 children, okay, equally, and the laddus from the second box were equally again distributed among 24 children, and the laddus from the third box among 12 children. Okay, and after distributing all the laddus, not a single laddu was left over. Okay, so we need to find the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes altogether. Altogether means we need to find the total number of laddus, the total minimum number of laddus in 3 boxes. Okay, so first we need to find the minimum number of laddus. Okay, so the minimum number of laddus in 3 boxes must be a multiple of 20, 24 and 12. Okay, so these are the number of children among whom we have distributed the total laddus. Okay, understood? So first we need to find multiples of all these 3 numbers. So first multiples of number 20, 21 is a 20, 20 is a 40, 3 is a 60, 4 is a 80, 5 is a 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. These are the multiples of 20. Then we will find the multiples of 24. 24 ones are 24, 2s are 48, 3s are 72, 4s are 96, 5s are 120, 6s are 144, 7s are 168, then 8s are 192, 9s are 216 and 10s are 240. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then we will find the multiples of number 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 4s are 48, 5s are 60. Then 66s are 72, 7s are 84, 8s are 96, 9s are 108 and 120. So these are the multiples of all these 3 numbers. Now we need to find the lowest common multiple. So first we will see which is the common multiple in all the 3 numbers. Okay, so number 120 is the only number which is the common multiple of the number 20, 24 and 12. Okay, so we will consider it as a lowest common multiple. Okay, there is no other common multiple, so we will consider it as a lowest common multiple. So therefore 120 is the lowest common multiple. So in the question what they have asked, that what is the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes all together. So we need to find the total number of minimum number of laddus in 3 boxes all together. So first we got the lowest common multiple 120. So we will write, therefore the minimum number of laddus in each box is 120. Okay, you should write, I'm rubbing this. The minimum number of laddus in each box. Therefore, the minimum number of laddus in each box is 120. But we need to find the minimum number of laddus in all the 3 boxes all together. Means, therefore, the minimum number of laddus in all the 3 boxes. Okay, all together. That is equal to, we got the minimum number of laddus in each box, that is in one box is 120. But there are how many boxes? 3 boxes. So into 3. So we got the answer 360. Okay. So the minimum number of laddus in each box is 120. So therefore to find the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes all together is equal to 120. That is the number of laddus in each box into the number of boxes, that is 3. We got the answer 360. Okay, understood? Okay, let us read question number 4. We observed the traffic signals at 3 different squares on the same big road. They turn green every 60 seconds, 120 seconds and 24 seconds. When the signals were switched on at 8 o'clock in the morning, all the lights were green. How long after that will all 3 signals turn green simultaneously again? So what they have given in the question, that there are total 3 traffic signals at different squares of the same big road. Okay, the traffic lights, each traffic light turns green at every 60 seconds, 120 seconds and 24 seconds respectively. So when what they have given, that signals are switched on at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, at that time all the lights are green. Okay, so we need to find that how long after that will all 3 signals turn green simultaneously. Means we need to find the time at what what time they take to turn green. Okay, to turn in green color. Understood? So first the traffic for all the 3 traffic signals or traffic lights to turn green, we need to find LCM. Okay, LCM of 60, 120 and 24. Understood? For all the traffic signals, traffic lights to turn green, we need to find the LCM of 60, 120 and 24. So first we will find the multiples of 60. 61 is 60, 62 is 120, 63 is 180, 240, 300, 360, then 420, 480, 540 and 600. Okay, so these are the multiples of 60. Now multiples of 120. So 121 is 120, 2 is 240, 3 is 360, 4 is 480, 4 is 5 is 600, then 6 over, no sorry, 5 is over, so 6 is 720, 840, 960, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the multiples of 120. Now we will find multiples of 24. 24 ones are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 5, 144, 168, 192, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so these are the multiples of number 24. Now we need to find the common multiple. Okay, which is the common multiple? Here 120 is the common multiple. Again, okay, so here 120 is the only common multiple. Okay, so we will consider it as LCM, that is lowest common multiple. Okay, so our final answer, see what we need to find out. We need to find out the time, at what time the traffic lights take to again turn into green color. Okay, so therefore the time taken for the traffic lights to turn green is 120 seconds. Got it? 120 seconds. Okay, understood? First we need to find out multiples of all the numbers, then we need to find the common multiple, and then the lowest common multiple. Now here 120 is the only number which is the common multiple of all these three numbers. Okay, so we will consider number 120 as the lowest common multiple. So therefore our final answer should be the time taken by the traffic lights to turn in green color is 120 seconds. Okay, understood? Okay, now we will move to next question, that is last question, number 5th. Okay, let us read. Given the fractions 13 upon 45 and 22 upon 75. Write their equivalent fractions with same denominators and add the fractions. Okay. So, in the previous lessons, that is in fractions, okay, so you have already learned that how to add fractions. Okay, so now let us solve this sum. The two fractions are okay. So first, see, their denominators are different. Okay, so first in the question itself they have asked you to convert these fractions into equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means what? The fractions with equal denominators. Okay, so first we need to make their denominators common. Okay, so first, see, we need to find the LCM of both these numbers, that is lowest common multiple, which is the multiple of both these numbers. Okay, so first let us find out the multiples. Multiples of 45. 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90, 45 threes are 135, 180, 45 fives are 25, 20 plus 2, 22. 225. Okay, again 45 sixes are 24 plus 3, 27, 270. Okay, so these are the multiples of 45. Let us find the multiples of number 75. Okay, so 225. So we need to find the lowest common multiple. So see here, 225 and 225 are common multiples of both the numbers 45 and 75. So we will consider it as a lowest common multiple. Okay, so therefore first we need to find the LCM of 45 and 75. Okay, then after finding the LCM of 45 and 75, we got the LCM, that is LCM of 45 and 75 is 225. So first we need to make the denominator, convert this denominator into 225. Okay, we have to make both of their denominator as 225. So therefore now 45, how many are 225? 45 5s are 225. So we will multiply both this numerator and denominator into 5. Okay, then again 75, how many are 225? 3s are. So we will multiply both these denominator and numerator into 3. So 22 into 3 upon 75 into 3. 66 upon 225. Now we got the equivalent fractions as 65 upon 225 and 66 upon 225. Now we will add this, okay? By adding the equivalent fractions, (65 plus 66) upon common denominator, so it we will write it as it is, okay? So 131 upon 225. This is your answer. So after adding these two fractions, 13 upon 45 and 22 upon 25, we will get the answer 131 upon 225. First, what we have to do? First we have to write the two fractions are 13 upon 45 and 22 upon 75. Then after that we need to find the multiples of both these numbers. We need to find the LCM of both these numbers, okay, to make the denominator common. So after finding the multiples of 45 and 75, we will get the LCM 225. So after that we need to make the denominator as 225. So 45 5s are 225, so we will multiply both numerator and denominator with number 5. Then we will get the answer 65 upon 225. Then again 75 3s are 225, so we will multiply this 22 and 75 with 3. So we will get 66 upon 225. Then we got the equivalent fraction as 65 upon 225 and 66 upon 225. Then afterwards we have to add these two equivalent fractions. Okay, so by adding the two equivalent fractions, that is 65 upon 225 plus 66 upon 225, that is 65 plus 66 upon 225, we will get the answer 131 upon 225. Okay, understood? So in this way we have completed our practice set number 25, and also we have completed our lesson number 9 HCF and LCM. Now in the next lecture we will be starting with our lesson number 2, that is angles, okay, which is the only lesson remaining for first semester. Okay, understood? So in this way we have completed lesson number 9. In the next lecture we will start our lesson number 2, that is angle. So I request all of you to please be ready with all your geometric construction instruments. Okay, understood? So we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.